I walked here with hundreds of members from the California Teachers Association. We won't be going anywhere, and we will fight for our students, we will fight for justice, and fight for the democracy that we all love in this country.
This country is built for all of us. We've had the richest 1% getting rich off our backs. So we're here to stand up for ourselves, for working people, and for our students.
We are always fighting for our students, resources for our students, to lift them up. And when you're cutting money from departments like education, you're saying that the future doesn't matter.
It is important for Americans all over this country to stand up and say, no Kings. And we are coming together right now, and we are saying no. Hell no.